Chapter 13 of NCERT book, Surface Areas and Volumes. In this chapter, we have to study about the combination of solids. Combination of solids means like cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, hemisphere and sphere are attached to one another. First of all, we have to learn about the formulas. Cylinder. The curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h and total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r plus h. Next, curved surface area of cone is pi r l, where l is the slant height, h is a vertical height, r is the radius. The formula of l is under root h square plus r square. Total surface area of cone is pi r l plus pi r square, pi r l plus r. The curved surface area of total surface area are equal for sphere. The formula is 4 pi r square. And CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square and TSA of hemisphere equal to 3 pi r square. This is a hemisphere. Lateral surface area of cube 4 into side square. It means area of 4 sides. And total surface area of cube 6 into side square. 6 side square. Total means the area of all surface. Lateral surface area of cuboid is 2 times L into H and 2 times B into H. 2 times L plus B into H. 2 times L plus B is also known as the perimeter of the base. Perimeter into height. Total surface area of cuboid is 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. The area of all 6 surfaces. Now the combination. Combination will be like this. A cylinder attached with 2 cones. A cylinder attached with hemisphere. Cylinder with cone. Hemisphere with cone. Cylinder with 2 hemispherical ends and 2 cubes. Now we have to find the surface area of these solids. So now the surface area, only this area, surface of this cylindrical portion is 2 pi RH. And the CSA of cone is pi r L. And again is pi r L. Adding these 3 areas, we will get the TSA of this solid. Do not add this bases. In this figure, CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH plus cone pi r L. Just we have to add these 2 areas and base pi r square. The total surface area of this solid. In this case, this is a hemisphere. CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square and cone is pi r L. In this figure, CSA of cylinder is 2 pi r h plus pi r square, 2 pi r square hemisphere, and here is 2 pi r square means hemisphere, CSA of hemisphere. The total surface area of the solid is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. And in this case, this is a cube. The cube attached with becomes a cuboid. The length becomes double of this side. So this is a cuboid. The TSA of these 2 cubes is TSA of cuboid. 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. And this cylinder plus hemisphere. The TSA of CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH, 2 pi r square, and if the base is pi r square. This is the total surface area of this combination of solids. The exercise 13.1. Question number 1. The 2 cubes each of volume 64 cm square are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resultant cuboid. 2 cubes are joined together. Okay. The volume of one cube is 64 centimeter cube. If the volume is 64, it means side is equal to cube root of volume. It means 4 centimeter. Again, the side of cube is 4. Length, breadth, height, all are 4. The length of the cuboid is 4 plus 4 equal to 8 centimeter. And breadth equal to 4 centimeter. and height equal to 4. Height and breadth remains the same, and the TSA of the cuboid is 2 times, formula is LB plus BH plus HL. Put the value 8 into 4 plus 4 into 4 plus 8 into 4 and solve this. 8 4 ja 32 plus 32 64 plus 16 is 80. It means 2 into 80 equal to 160 centimeter. Sorry, volume nahi, sorry, surface area. TSA, total surface area of cuboid, this 160 centimeter square. Question number 2. A vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted on a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14 and total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. The hollow hemisphere mounted on a hollow cylinder. The diameter is 14 centimeter. Diameter is 14 centimeter. If diameter is 14 centimeter, it means radius equal to 7 centimeter. And the height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Height of the vessel is 13. 13 means total. This is 13 centimeter. If radius is 7, then the height of this cylinder is 13 minus 7 is 6 centimeter. The height of the cylinder is 6 centimeter. 13 minus 7, 6. Now find the total surface area of vessel equal to CSA of cylinder. Because there is a hollow, there is no need of base. CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA of cylinder is 2 pi RH and CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi R square. Because R is the same, taking common 2 pi R in bracket H plus R. Now put the value 2 into 22 by 7 pi and radius is 7 centimeter and 6 plus 7 13. Cancel. 44 into 13 equal to 13 4 ja 52 57 572 centimeter square. Next question. A toy is in the form of cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the TSA of the area of the toy. The cone mounted on a hemisphere. A cone mounted on a hemisphere means this is hemisphere and cone is mounted on this. The radius is 3.5. It means this height is also 3.5 centimeter. And total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Total height of the toy is this. Then height of the cone is 15.5 minus 3.5. 12 centimeter. Height of the cone 12 centimeter and radius equal to 3.5. First we have to find the slant height L. L equal to under root h square plus r square. H square means 12 square plus 3.5 square. 144. 12 square is 144 plus 3 4 ja 12. 12.25. Now adding this we get 0.25. 156.25 under root. Under root 1 is 12.5 centimeter. This is the square of 12.5. Now taking the TSA of the TSA of toys, CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Taking pi r common in bracket L plus 2r. CSA of cone, CSA of hemisphere. Pi r, pi is 22 by 7, r is 3.5, L is 12.5 plus 2 into r means 2 into 3.5. 5 means 7. 2 and 2 11. Here is 11 into 7. 12 plus 7 is 19.5, and multiplying this we get 0.5, 214.5 centimeter square. Okay. Question number 4. A cubical block of side 7 centimeters surmounted by a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter of hemisphere can have? Find the surface area of the solid. A hemisphere is surmounted on a cube. The side of the cube is 7 centimeter. Therefore, diameter is also 7 centimeter. Totally covered this area. And the TSA of the solid. The TSA of the solid is 6 surface of, so TSA of cube plus CSA of hemisphere minus the common area is this pi r square, which is the common area, दोनों base and surface this. The answer is 6a square plus pi r square. Okay. Put the value 6 into side is 7 plus pi r square. Pi r means 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Cancel. 2 11. 6 7 ja 42 into 7. 7 2 ja 14. 294 plus 77 by 2 is 38.5. Now adding 0.5, 332.5 centimeter square. Next question. Question number 5. A hemispherical depression is cut out from the one face of cubical wooden block and of the diameter L of a hemisphere equal to the edge of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. This is the same question of 4, like this. Only it is surmounted by a hemisphere and it is a cut out a hemisphere, but the surfaces remain the same. Side is L, then the diameter equal to L by 2, and the TSA is same, 6a square plus 2 pi r square minus the 6a square plus pi r square. 6l square plus pi r is L by 2 into L by 2. The taking common, 2 to the 4 6 ja 24. 24 L square. It means 24. Now the 24 square 6. Only L square 6 plus pi by 4. Now taking 4 common, L square by 4. 24. 6 4 ja 24 plus pi. 4 is okay. The question number 6. A medicine capsule in the shape of a cylinder with 2 hemispheres stuck to each other of its ends. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm. Diameter of the capsule is 5 mm. Find the surface area. A cylinder attached with 2 hemisphere ends. Okay. This is figure. 5 mm diameter. Therefore, radius equal to 2.5. Radius 2.5. It means the total length of this capsule is 14 mm. Then 2.5, 2.5. 14 minus 5 is 9 mm is the height of cylinder. Height of cylinder is 9 mm. And radius is 2.5 mm. Find the surface area. Then the TSA of this surface area of this solid 2 into 2 pi r square means the CSA of 2 hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder. Now taking common 2 pi r, 2r plus h. Now put the value 2 into 22 by 7 radius is 2.5, and again 2 into 2.5 plus h is 9. 5 into 200, 220, 5, 110 by 7 into 5 or 9, 14. 7 to the 14. The answer is 220 millimeter square. This is the TSE. TSE means CSE of 2 hemisphere 2 into this, and CSE of cylinder 2 pi RH. Question number 7. A tent is in the shape of cylinder surmounted by a conical top. At the height and the diameter of the cylindrical part is 2.5 meter and 4 meter respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter. Find the area of canvas used for making the tent, and also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of 500 per meter square. Okay. Tent is like this. Diameter of this 4 meter, height of the cylindrical portion 2.1 meter, and slant height is 2.8 meter. Find the surface area of this tent. The total surface area of the tent is 2 pi RH. It means CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone. And here height equal to 2.1 meter. Radius equal to 4 by 2 means 2 meter. And L equal to 2.8. Now taking pi r common. 2h plus L. Put the value 22 by 7 into r is 2. 2 into 2.1 plus 2.8. 44 by 7 into 4.2 plus 2.8. 7 cancel. 44 centimeter square. Now cost 44 multiplied by rupees 500. Rupees 22,000. Question number 8. Cylinder 2.4 centimeter deep and diameter 1.4 centimeter. Therefore radius is 0.7 centimeter. A conical cavity is cut out. It means this we have to add pi RL plus 2 pi RH, CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone plus base pi r square. Okay. The radius equal to 1.4 by 2. It means 0.7 centimeter. And height is 2.4 centimeter. And L equal to under root h square plus r square. Means 2.4 square plus 0.7 square. Now we will get 2.5 centimeter. And the TSA of this cavity 2 pi RH, CSA of cylinder plus CSA of cone plus area of the base. Taking pi r common. 2h plus L plus R. Now put the values. Pi means 22 by 7. Radius is 0.7. 2 into 2.4 plus L is 2.5 and R is 0.7. Solve this. 22 into 0.1 cancel 0.1 and add this 4.8 plus 2.5 into 4.8 plus 2.5 plus 0.7. 8. This is about 8. 8 to the 16, 8 to the 16. 8 to the 16 is 17.6. 17.6 centimeter square. In the round nearest 17 is it means 18 centimeter square. The last question. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder shown in the figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter, its base radius is 3.5 centimeter. Find the TSA of the article. It means TSA of the article is CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of hemisphere plus CSA of cylinder. TSA of the solid of the article 2 into 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. H is 10 centimeter, radius is 3.5 centimeter. Common 2 pi r. Here is 2r plus h. 2 into 22 by 7 and radius is 3.5. And 2 into 3.5 plus h is 10. 2 into 3.7, 7 cancel. Only 22 into 7 plus 10, 17. 374 centimeter square. This is the answer of last question. Thank you.